Okay, so here's the idea. This year I bought an older iPad. So this is the 2018 version, not the 2020 version, so you don't necessarily need to buy the newest materials. But here's the reason why I bought this. So when I used to do my photo editing, what I would do is take my photos, wait to get them home, and then do my edits, and usually do them the next day because I was out all day the next day. With this, what I'm able to do is sit there after the shoot and go through them more quickly. So it's not like I'm sitting there doing hard edits, but what I'm able to do is see them on a bigger screen, something like this guy right here, which is really cool. But on the other side, what I'm able to do is actually show those photos to whoever I'm shooting with, if I'm shooting with somebody else. Or what I can do is look at them on something bigger than a 3-inch screen, like on this camera here. But more than that, what it's allowed me to do is allowed me to get away from my computer with my edits. So my home setup, my battle station, if you want to call it that, is where I do most of my work, which is great because I have all the horsepower I need to do those edits. But on the other side, what I need to do is actually be more creative. And what tends to happen when I get to my computer is that I sit there and I go through every single preset that I've used or that I've bought. And then I go through every single slider. And I sit there on a single photo sometimes for an hour or 2 hours, and I just continuously try to edit it. And I over edit it so many times. This has allowed me to detach from that. It's allowed me to get out to the field, shoot, look at them, do simple edits, and then kick them out like I want to social medias or to my friends or my family or whoever. So this is an idea more than it is a technical display of what you can and can't do with an iPad versus what you can do with your computer in editing. It's just an idea to help you be more creative. I know it'll help you out.